Hey guys, welcome back! Look, I'm so excited today. We have this creative dinosaur. There are 3 different ones. Today we're gonna do the Triceratops. Let's get started.
Welcome to Fun Place.
Okay guys, here it is. These are all the parts. Right here are the legs, the body, this is the top, and right here we have the tail. These are all the screws. It comes with 2 screwdrivers, a manual one, and then we have an electric one. It has a button so that it can go forward and backwards. Alright, now that we have all our parts out, let's start creating this dinosaur. We're gonna start with this front leg. Then we get a screw. We put it on here. And now we start. When you hear that clicking sound, it means you stop. And it's all set. Next is this back leg. We set it right there, and for this one we need 2 screws. Let's start with the top one. Okay, here we go. Let's go on the other side. We'll do the front leg again. A screw, and now let's tighten it. Now we only need 1 more leg. There we go. It's starting to look very cute. Now let's do its backbone. For this one, we need 2 pieces. We need this one and this one. We put this one in here. And the screw right on this side. Now for the tail. And we need 2 pieces as well. Now we put the screw in here, and we use our screwdriver again. And the tail is all set. Our last part are the eyes. Oops. We lock it in. And this one right over here. And here it is. It's all complete. Look at what a beautiful Triceratops. It has wheels on its feet so that you can push it and it'll walk. I had so much fun building this dinosaur, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.